name is Josh Kirchoff. I am the floor manager at Progress Manufacturing Incorporated. So some advice that I would give to owners and managers to attract the next generation would be to focus mainly on embracing the new technology, and then to educate, especially new hires, I guess everyone, how to use that new technology. What I found is that as if everyone has a fundamental knowledge of how everything works, you get a lot of outside of the box thinking, and then you'll have people who will think of like clever ways to use the technology. Another thing that might attract people is to offer the on-the-job training and stuff. So if they've never been in the trade, to offer on-the-job training, and that seems to attract a lot of people. If I knew what I know now, and I could go back and talk to my 16-year-old self, I'll preface this by saying that I'm very grateful for all the courses and, the education that I've gotten. I use it to this day, but I would say I would try to take a lot more manufacturing classes, because I feel like I would have gotten a little bit of a head start that way. I have a couple people I look for inspiration and mentorship. The first one, and since I was younger, I kind of grew up watching MythBusters. So Adam Savage from MythBusters. He also has a channel on YouTube called Tested that I watch a lot. But just seeing the way he inspires me is just seeing how he has knowledge on so many different things, like, welding, manufacturing. He teaches himself things. And his show Tested, the reason I watch that is because just to see how, he goes through the whole process of how he thinks about a prototype and then how he builds it. And he even goes over the mistakes that he kind of learns from throughout the process. So the way I try to continue to grow as a leader is I actually like to grow like with the team that I'm working with. I feel like open communication allows us to figure things out. There's rarely a problem that, we can't figure out as a team, and there's always a different person who can come up with a different solution, and there's no dumb ideas. And then the other thing is the team leaders and I actually took a train the trainer and a supervisor course through one of the local tech schools, Moraine Park here, and I feel that was definitely a great learning experience. That was a good way to grow. So I'd say what makes me most proud is seeing the extra time that I put into training people kind of pay off, especially seeing people who come in who have no idea, they've never been in the trade before, they have no technical training, and then just kind of almost taking them by your side and showing them little things at first, and then just watching them grow and kind of pick it up. And you kind of see the moment where everything clicks and you can totally tell that they understand it, and then just kind of sitting back and watching them do it on their own. It's, and I can apply that even, not just here at work, but to my life, whether it's, showing my kids something or, working with people to build something. There's definitely a lot of different applications for it. So.